Story Nest.
A curious little elephant named Ellie, with large floppy ears and a playful trunk, wandered away from her herd one sunny morning. The jungle was a symphony of sounds and smells, and a sparkling river, like a ribbon of liquid diamonds, beckoned her with its gentle gurgle. Without hesitation, Ellie plunged into the cool water, letting out a joyful trumpet as the refreshing liquid enveloped her. Sunlight danced on the surface, creating a dazzling display of light and shadow. Suddenly, a flash of emerald green caught her eye. It was Finley, a friendly frog with big, curious eyes, perched on a lily pad. "Hello," croaked Finley. "The water feels wonderful today." Ellie splashed water playfully with her trunk, giggling as some droplets landed on Finley's head. Just then, a long, sleek body swam gracefully towards them. It was Sal the snake, his scales shimmering like polished jewels. "Having fun, little one?" hissed Sal with a gentle smile. Ellie, who had always been a bit wary of snakes, found Sal's kind eyes reassuring. As they played together in the sparkling river, splashing and laughing, Ellie realized that making new friends was just as wonderful as a cool dip on a hot day. The jungle suddenly felt even more vibrant and exciting with Finley the frog and Sal the snake by her side.